Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb on your side marker turn signals on your Chevy Trailblazer. This particular one here is the 2003, but it should be the same for all the ones in that range. Also for the equivalent GM models, I know you had the Envoy and different ones like that. They should pretty much all be the same. So let's go ahead and get started. To complete this video, all you need is a flathead screwdriver or a small pry bar to remove the grill area, and also to remove the headlight assembly, the little clips from it. You're also going to need your replacement bulbs, which GM recommends the 194, which is the clear one. I actually like to put in the 2827, which is the amber equivalent right there, just because sometimes the side markers, they can fade, and that at least ensures that you have a nice amber glow. So that's all you'll need. First thing that we need to do is we need to remove this grill and this chrome piece of plastic that goes across the lights there. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood, and then we're going to pop this off. It's just held on by, you got a couple clips here up top, a couple at the bottom, and then a couple along here. You just have to give it a nice little pull to get it popped off, and then it just comes right off. So let me pop the hood and we'll get that off. All right. Looking here from the top, you can see here's one of the clips here. There's the other one here. And then there's some underneath here on the lower end right here, which as we pop it off, I'll show you those. So let's go ahead and start removing that. I'm going to start by grabbing it under here. There's a nice spot where you can get a hold of it and just kind of give it a nice little pull. You don't want to pull too hard and break this because this is just plastic, but right there, and you heard the clip right here popped, so did this one. Do the same here on this end here. Not too hard, but just enough. There it was. Okay, that came off. There it came out there. And pop this one here. There's a clip right here. There we go. And then now you'll see the ones here on the inside. I'll get a close-up of it. There's one here on the driver's side. If you work your way over here, you'll see there's the one there on the passenger side. And let's give it a nice little pull here. There we go. And then on this side, there we are. So now we are clear. Take this off. Gently set that down. You don't want to break it. To remove this headlight assembly here, once we had that all cleared off, you have a clip right on this end. And if we come right, let's see if I can show it. See it. Right there is the other clip. And all you're going to do is just take either a flathead screwdriver or a little crowbar and just lift them up. So I'm going to go ahead and lift them up now, and we'll pop the headlight assembly out. Just going to gently pry up on that. And sometimes if you push the headlight assembly in a little bit, if it's kind of stuck, it'll help. There you go. Came right up. Now let's do the one here on the inside. Here. Let's give a nice little pull. There we go. Popped up. Come right out. Pull that out gently. Kind of work it out. Lean it back. There we go. Now we have access to all the harnesses for all the different bulbs here on the inside. Once the assembly is out, this upper harness here, that is your side marker, which displays right here. So we're going to go ahead and just grab a hold of that and turn it to the left. Just twist it. There you go. It's just a little bit of a turn. And you can see there, that thing is completely fogged out and burned out, definitely needing to be replaced. So let's go ahead and swap that out. With the harness removed, we're going to go ahead and remove the bulb gently. Just pull that out. There's the old bulb, the 194, and we're putting the 2827, which is the amber one, in its place. We'll plug that into the same harness right there, put it in gently, And that's it. Now we're ready to just screw that right back in and test it out. We'll slide this in place. Unfortunately, I can't get the camera in there to really get a good shot of it, but all you're going to do then is just pretty much just take the harness, put it right back in to that slot, and then turn it to the right as if you're screwing it in, and that'll lock it in place, and then you're pretty much set and good to go. There we go. It can be a little tricky. Got to work it in, but there we go. So now we're just going to go ahead and slide this right back in place. Lock it back in there, push it in, put the clips back to hold this in. Nice and secure. Let's put the grill back on and we'll try it all out. Next, we're going to put the grill back on. Same way we took it off. You're going to be looking for the clips. You want to line it up nice. You don't want to break anything. Once you've got them in place, you can just give it a little tap it in. Good. Down here. There we are. All right, let's go ahead and try it out. There's the hazards. That actually looks good. Let's go ahead and turn that on. There's our turn signal. Looks good. Okay, well that pretty much wraps it up, this video on how to replace the side marker bulbs on a Chevy Trailblazer. So I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out with any projects you're working on. Please send me any questions, any comments that you may have. I'd love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.